Who, what, where, why? Confused? Which question word you have to use for asking questions? Don't worry, the Smart Online Academy will help you out. So let's start about the question words today. I'm going to make it clear that what type of question and which type of word you have to use accordingly. So let's start now. We will start with the first question word, that is who. Who is used for the person only when we are inquiring about a person. For example, who was at the party? Who is your best friend? Where? Where is only used for the position or place. Like where do you live? Where did you go? When is used for the time, occasion, or moment. Like when is your birthday? When did you get up? Why? Why is used for the reason or explanation. Like why are you sad? Why didn't you call me? What is used for the specific thing or object. Like what are you doing? What's your number? Which is used for choice, alternative. Like which dress is good? Which leg hurts? Now don't forget which is used for the selection of only limited number. When we have a limited choice and we have to choose from them, then we have to use this word which. We cannot use for the broad sense. How? How is used for way, manner, or form. Like how was your day? How do you know her? So dear learners, I hope these question words are clear to you. Now I'm going to give you an exercise for this. Please solve it and comment in the comment section below. And after that, pause the video and check your answers. Bye for now.